What do you think the sum of 2 over 6 and 4 over 18? And the choices are 6 over 18, 5 over 9, 5 over 18, and 3 over 9. So what do you think is the correct answer? Your time starts now. Okay, let's see. We have here 2 over 6. And since we're talking about sum, so that would be plus 4 over 18. So first, we have to think about the LCD. So the least common denominator of 6 and 18 is 18. So 18, 18 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Then 18 with 18 is 1, 1 times 4 is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Then over 18. Then reduce it to lowest term by 2. Then 10 divided by 2 is 5. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the answer is letter B, 5 over 9.